What's up, all you cool cats? Another update video. It's Sunday, April something. I think we're in April. Been in this coronavirus madness, so I don't even know. Van update. It's been a busy weekend. So it's Sunday right now. Yesterday I finished off this cabinet that took me about 3 full days probably in total time to build. But yesterday was a heavy day. I put the whole front on and got it all fastened. So it's looking pretty good. It just needs sanded on the front to make everything even. I'm trying to decide how much I want to bother with that part, if it really bothers me or not. I'm not that sure yet, so I'm kind of thinking still. Got the sides on yesterday too. I did leave a few screws showing in the front. The way that I did it, I wanted to make it as secure as possible. So basically all of this part right here going back to the wall, if you come in here real quick.
Okay.
And I don't know, it might be pretty dark, but the way that it's fastened against the wall over there, there's like multiple places where it's fastened. If you look up here at this backboard, there's all these little rivet nuts that go directly into the side of the van, and then that's drilled into the bottom, which is a 3/4 inch plywood. And then it's basically attached to the roof through a board that runs all the way across and connects to all of our beams. So basically it's secured to the roof, it's secured to the back, it's secured on the side, so you could probably climb in there and sleep if you wanted to, and it would be fine. I'll do the doors for it. Gonna do some simple doors probably that just come down and latch. It worked out pretty well. It was my first go around by myself at doing something like that. It's a little tricky because nothing's square, so kind of had to figure it out as I went and cut a bunch of angles for the boards that are running top to back. Yeah, so it was fun, but got it all worked out. Only ended up drilling 2 holes in the van total, and that was just for an extra support on the right side over there. But for the most part, it's just pure rivet nuts. The back, still gonna try and figure out how exactly to utilize that space back there. I'm gonna put a little extra insulation in, and then maybe build some little boxes that go back there, and then we'll kind of close it off. For now it's open because I don't want to close it off and lose that space unless I have to. But that's a later problem. Right now we're just trying to get all the structural stuff. Apart from that, you guys have seen the cabinet. Put this board up as well, running across, and the reason for that is we're gonna have a cabinet that basically comes down, that it's basically gonna be like wall only. We'll have a little board that sticks out kind of right past the wiring harness cover, and then it's just going to kind of close right there, where you'll have some extra, well, essentially garage storage space just with those things, and then it'll hide this harness. It won't get in your headspace because it's just going to be coming straight up and down, and it'll be on piano hinges, so you'll be able to raise it up just to have a little extra space. We also fit our mattress because there's a little cutout right here where we frame this. The bed actually comes all the way back, so we cut it's a memory foam mattress, so we just cut it to fit on this groove and cut it to kind of go with the angle of the van right here, or fit it in. All is good. Last thing for now, we did put this board, it's basically just the front of the bed. It doesn't have any real support, like it's not doing anything. But the reason that it's here is so I know where to start the build going forward, because I have to build a place for the toilet and start building the sink and figure out what I'm going to do over here on this wall. So basically this is just a marker point so I don't go too far back this direction or screw it up somehow. And I'm still trying to figure out where exactly the water is going to go. It's either going to probably mount like that, or I'm going to brace it up, build a little platform for it, and put it there just so we don't lose any space. But that may be overcomplicating it, so I'm trying to figure that out still. I don't know what's next other than that. And that's pretty much where we're at. Progress is good. Did end up getting some more insulation, some Thinsulate, just to put in. I was a little... I'm still skeptical on the insulation, but I figure something's better than nothing. at least for behind all the electricity and behind these storage cabinets where we won't want things getting too hot during the day. So just a little extra layer of insulation. I'm not going to go crazy with it, and I know people say that there's like the gaps and stuff. I'm not going to worry about all that right now. And then we do have all of our electricity under there, which I don't think we've actually shown yet, but I have it all taped up on purpose because there's a lot of dust going on in here, so I just don't want anything getting in the electric parts. And that's about it. So I'll figure out what's next, and then we'll catch back up later.